Hi, and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Today we have a fairly easy job. It's a 2004. It's a Mustang. Problem we have is that the headlight assemblies need to be replaced because, as you know, these headlights today are made of plastic and it gets a film over the top of it. It cuts down your visibility while driving. At night you really can't see that well. It's a fairly easy job. We're just going to take a couple of clips out. We pull some clips out, unplug some electrical plugs, comes right out. Put the new one back in, and we wrap it up and it's out the door. So let me go up front. I'll show you what the old light looks like, what the new light looks like, and how we're going to go ahead and replace them. So let's get up front. I'll show you how to do this. Alright, well, as you can see, the headlights themselves, they get that film over the top like that. These are replacement headlights. They do have a little plastic cover over the top of it to protect it, but I'm going to show you how to take this light out, and we'll put them back in. Very simply, is you just come up underneath here, you take these clips, you pull this out, you come over here, you pull this out, and then the headlight assembly is loose. So, show you. Okay. And what you do is you just pull the light, comes right out. You unplug the electrical plug on the back of the headlight. You just press that little clip on the side and it pops right out. And then over here is another clip that actually holds, just for the marker lights. I'll show you how to do that too. You just pull that out. Right, this one is already broken. One of the clips is broken on it, but you just pull it and it pops right straight out. And this one here, the same thing. There's clips on the side that's supposed to hold it in place. That's broken also, and it just pulls right out. All right. You want to match up your headlight assemblies to the new one to make sure you got the correct light. Because I've seen it too many times where you get the headlights, you go to put them in, and they just don't fit exactly the same. But this one here looks like it's a good match. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, okay. All right, usually these lights come with, they come with headlights in them already, but this one for some reason doesn't. So you just take this little clip off here. This, you just throw it away, of course. There's another light that goes right here. Take that off. And then you remove this light here. You just take it, you rotate it, you pull the clip off, take your light out. Don't touch the headlight. You don't want to touch that bulb because you'll burn it out. Put your new light back in here like this. Push it in. Put your clip back over the top. Tighten it. And that's it. This one here, you just turn this. And like most things, is counterclockwise to take it off, clockwise to put it on. Take it out like this, and then we're just going to put our new one. I'll put this light back into our new one here. Now there's only one way that they can fit, so remember how you take it out, and you're going to put it back in the same way. You just turn it. All right. This we're just going to put to the side for now. And now we'll put our light assembly back in. These little pins right here, they have to line up right here and here and here. All right, so make sure you line those up, and then we'll put it back together. Alright, you're going to take your plastic off a little bit here because it is going to interfere when you put it back on. You put a little protective cover over the top. You just take this and discard it. It's just to keep that from being broken while they ship it. And we'll take the headlight. And before you put it back in, you have to reconnect your electrical plugs that you previously removed. And they just usually push right in there and snap in place. Same thing here, you just push it in, and it snaps right in place. And then we'll pull a light back in, line those pins up on the side that I showed you. We're just going to move this a little bit so it doesn't get caught when we take it back off. I mean, we put the clips back on. Right? Then you just push the light assembly in, take your clips, put them down. I'll show you. That's how the one went in, and the second one goes into those little clips like this here. Push it down, and it locks in place, and that's it. Here's your new light. That's what it looks like. And that's what the old one looks like. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing on this side over here as we did on the other side. Again, you just pull these clips out, we pull it out and swap everything over. Alright, so you can see the difference like night and day. Alright, of course, make sure your lights work, make sure your directionals work too. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.